Hey guys, this is Josh from Neck GreenThumb. My goal for this channel is to help you become just a little bit more self-sufficient.
Hey YouTube, in this video I'll be going over how I cook my quail after I'm done butchering them. After they're all butchered, cleaned, and cooled down, put them in a bowl and coat them with cooking oil. In my case, I'm using olive oil. Coat them good and stir them to make sure that they're all covered. Now you can use some of your favorite spices to give them some flavor. Once you've seasoned them, evenly space them on a cooking sheet with parchment paper. I use olive oil Pam just to be sure that they won't be sticking to anything.
Hi.
Put them in the oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Pretty simple, I know. If you liked this video, learned anything, or found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks again for watching, and I'll have more self-sustainability videos coming your way. God bless, and stay safe out there.